In today's world, organizations collect large amount of data, but the true value of the data only can come from the ability to predict the outcome and making intelligent decisions. That is where machine learning and data science becomes important. Microsoft Fabric provides a powerful end-to-end data science platform that supports entire machine learning lifecycle from data exploration and model training to evaluation and deployment. Using technologies like MLflow for experiment tracking and Apache Spark for large scale computing, Notebook environment for development, and OneLake for unified storage, Microsoft Fabric allows data scientists to build, train, and deploy predictive models very efficiently. Microsoft Fabric, bringing together data engineering, data analytics, and artificial intelligence, and helping organizations to move from raw data to real world AI solutions much faster and more effective.